Hello best friend, so Samsung sent me the Galaxy Z Flip 5, the ultimate TikTok phone. Let's unbox it together. And the box it comes in here is a very small box. And on removing it, I see the phone wrapped in this black paper. This is a sexy phone, oh. Then I see the USB Type-C cable, manuals that I know you are never going to read, and a SIM removal tool. And finally, I get to do this. On setting up the phone, Samsung has a few warnings, like making sure there's no dust before you close the phone. Now, here are 3 things I'm looking forward to when I use the Z Flip 5. The new display on the outside that Samsung calls the Flex window. It is 3.4 inches and you can run mini apps here, especially my favorite, the camera, which leads me to number 2. I honestly think I will enjoy making a lot of TikToks with this phone, especially since I can use it in what I call tripod mode, so I can see myself when shooting TikToks. And for the first time in a Z Flip, there are no more gaps, which means that the phone closes completely now. And for number 3 is the camera. And since I shoot myself a lot, I don't have to lose quality. I can just flip to the back camera there and have the best quality each time. What features of the Z Flip do you like, best friend? And what questions do you have about the Z Flip 5? Don't be shy, best friend. Let me know in the comments. And a shout out goes to Samsung and Levan especially for making this happen. And as always, I'm your captain of awesome and I'm from Nigeria with love.